Hi Mel, Ben Taplin from Wayne Phillips Ford here, just giving you a short video as promised on our 2009 Kia Sportage SUV that we currently have for sale. It is a 2-litre 4-cylinder motor. You can see here, especially from the front, the vehicle is in exceptional condition. Okay, coming fitted with fog lights as standard on the front there. We also have the alloy wheels come standard on this model, also with very exceptional condition tyres. Moving through, we can see the quality extends all the way through to the interior with a partial leather setup going on. We also have the ESP there, the electronic stability to keep you safe in wet conditions. Also cruise control on this model. And if we have a look at the center console, we've got the CD player with MP3 capabilities also. Being the 4-speed auto, does have the Tiptronic feature as well, so you can shift manually on this one. Now we have the power window features on the driver's side. And also if we move through to the back, you can see the quality extends all the way through in this vehicle. Very good condition. Roof bars standard on this model as well. Okay, and if we move into the back here, we have got the split tailgate setup. You can lift the glass, okay, for easy access, especially when it comes to shopping, or if you've got your dog in the back there, you can keep them nice and safe. So privacy shield also, and we also have 3 anchorage points on the back here, which are perfect for child seats. Now if I go to the left hand side here, you can see it lifts the whole tailgate up all together, and if we lift the bottom compartment, there is a full-size spare on this model with an alloy wheel as well. Now moving around to the driver's side, you'll see the vehicle started out at $29.90. It's on a ridiculous reduction at the moment. Moving down, it's currently at $17,500, which is very good value. Now if we have a look here at the service history, you can see it is a full service history, and this vehicle has currently got 67,200 kilometres. So hopefully with this short video, Mel, it will help you with your decision as far as which way you're going to go with an SUV. Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.